yellow. What's up? How you all doing? Hopefully enjoying the week so far. Sweet. So as per our ritual, right? Our good old Halloween 2 theme music. One of my favorite theme music of all time, honestly. Like, this is what I love listening to. Just to get myself in the right mindset, I will say. Right? Let me go privacy. Interesting. So just want to make sure I'm live because yesterday I had the issue. So I figured out the issue with the YouTube. It was because my thing was basically private in my live stream. And that's the reason you were not able to see things. But today it's good. Hopefully you guys can see me, you guys can hear me. And today we are continuing on actually a great room. This is how you will see hacking in real life. The reason I picked this room because this is how the DeepSeek AI. I don't know if you are aware of how things are going in the AI, but DeepSeek AI was hacked within 3 days of it being published with its R1 model. Why? Because this database was exposed on a very interesting port number, and the database name was ClickHouse, right? And I'm making a video on it, so you guys will probably see a quick one on how to do if you are looking into hacking a new thing. But interesting news, actually, another one regarding this is that US, some of the senators are saying that they want to actually put people in jail who are actually using DeepSeek AI. They want to jail the people who are using DeepSeek AI, and then they say we are working towards freedom of speech. Cool. You guys can hear me. That's good. So that's what they say all the time, right? And now the reality is coming out that when they are not going to be number one in something as important as AI, they are losing the game, and this is how they are trying to play by putting people in jail. It's same as like doing the public show by Biden administration when they were going after Russia for a WNBA player having marijuana, but they didn't want to say they didn't want to get people who were in US for marijuana. So like it's just bullshit going on all across the world. But what do we know? We don't give to F. Here, this is what you guys need to know. You guys need to know about OmniHuman, right? So in this stream, first I will just give you a quick idea what OmniHuman is, the new AI thing that came out. Then we'll go into our hacking Lightroom, right? The one we were doing yesterday regarding database. So this is what we were doing. But here, OmniHuman is an incredible AI creation that was by the same company that has TikTok called ByteDance. They created one with which a lot of people are able to create videos with just even an image and a video and with audio in it. Is interesting. And if you can go OmniHuman, there is a GitHub link, the first one. Really interesting stuff. They talk about how things are being done. And let's play a easy one. Albert Einstein.
What would art be like without emotions? It would be empty. What would our lives be like without emotions? They would be empty of values. So a famous classical poet said, "We hate and we love. Can one tell?"
That's interesting. I never heard Albert Einstein's voice. So this is interesting for me as well. So hope you guys enjoy what's going on in the AI industry. I'm creating a project which you guys will also love to see. Once over the weekend, I will have this workshop. This weekend for sure, because last weekend I got I was not able to complete what I wanted to for this workshop. So now I have stuff ready: prompt engineering, chain of thoughts, and a couple of other advanced prompting techniques when you are interacting with AI. So I have things ready now, and I can like put you guys and show you what's going on with. If you are into AI, if you want to make things big, things like prompt engineering, understanding engineering, train of thoughts. I will give you acronyms like from Google courses and stuff like that, which will help you actually do it. And not only that, I will go through a paid version of specific one. I'm not going to use OpenAI and stuff. I'm going to use Gemini. Why the Gemini by Google? Because their studio actually has a couple of interesting um, how to say features, configuration like tokens, temperature, which I believe you guys need to understand when we are talking about AI and how creative things should be. Because temperature, for example, is how creative the answer should be. If you want, it is always between 0 to 2, I believe. One being like normal, okay, stuff like that, but zero being do not make it creative. Whatever you are posting, for example, image, code, or anything. Two being super creative. A lot of people don't say don't use value 2 because AI at one point, their Gemini AI was actually making things, words for poem that had no meaning. They were not in dictionary. So just interesting things we are going to check out, and we'll also learn how to hack these things as we go. But now, with that being said, let's jump into our Lightroom, which we are here for. Let me start my first virtual box here, Kali. I have my coffee today, so it'll be nice, good long day. I like cold coffee. I'm a fan of cold drink. The chai is the only thing which I like hot. Okay, let's get ready. Kali is here. Okay. Yesterday was an interesting one too, so we are going to start with that. CD, desktop, sudo, OpenVPN, Kali. Now let's go on the next tab. And let's connect to this NC, and we have the command in our TryHackMe machine. NC 10.10.100.4.1337, which is an easy one. This connects us to the Lightroom database, right? And we were making some notes when we were doing this yesterday, so let's just pull them up. Restore, yes. So yesterday it was 10 this, so let's just change the IP address wherever necessary. And we have the username Smokey. We were able to find with the union thing that the union itself with select both were kind of blacklisted. But if we were changing with the capitalization, like for example, you see U is capital, NI is lowercase, and ON is capital, it works. Same with select, right? I did null, SQLite, and then we were using this to come up with find like inside able to run what's going on. And I got some help from my good old friend KGB in the Discord channel, so check him out. Say a thanks from my side, right? So now let's go here over. So please enter your username. So we are looking for the admin one, but we want to do a SQL injection to be able to do it. Sorry, one sec. I'll turn off my settings, right? So no notification and stuff. Cool. Here we go again. Ah, shit. Here we go again. Eh. Hey, Panda, how you doing? How's your day so far? Food. Yep. I ate some food too, just like 10 minutes ago before starting the stream. Hopefully, you are eating some dinner, getting that belly full, ready to rock and roll. So, we were doing the SQL injection, right? So, here we have this will exit. So, if our command, for example, let's take care of this, nothing of this worked. So, if our command looks more like this inside our server, let's say it was like select pass from users where username like this, and we know there is a limit of 30 as well in this from our previous section. So it's something like this, maybe inside the server. Maybe let's add the maybe. With this single quote, we are able to exit this part. Like we add a single quote here. So we are trying to hack this way. So when we do this, let's say the username, we don't enter anything, or let's say it was ABC, we enter to make you guys happy. ABC, let's say we enter. Now with the single quote, we exited out, right? We exited out of this, but now this is not the right query. We can test it by just typing this much. Let's see. You see here, this is giving error, this part, because this, if we just add this part, my bad. If we just add this part, it becomes like this. The ending of the string was basically what you see here, right? No gaps. This is exactly what you guys see. So now we have to exit out of this. How we will exit out of this is basically we have to come up with union is one of the best ways in SQL injection, because union is you have two select statements. It will give us the output based on the common output based on that, if you want to think like that. So with ABC and union, why we have this capitalization is because if I go ABC union select 1 2 3, or let's say even if I go null, right, number of columns with that are coming out. If I go like this, there is a word in there I don't like, right? That means there is one of the union and select were the words that it doesn't like, and so we need to play with capitalization to get out of that word, like the blacklisting. So how I did it with this UNION, let's say SELECT. Now I want to get the database version. So I have to get now, and one more thing I have to get right is actually the stuff here. This one came after some hidden trial. Let's say if I go No such function database. So this means that it is going here to database, right? We just have to keep on trying to find something. And with that, I want to try this one. Let's see if this will work. Selects to the left and right of the union do not have the same number of columns. So we might want to remove null maybe. The number of columns should be same, right, with the union. So this one breaks the system. So what we have to do is I tried and this came out to be the answer. So the password password is basically here is the SQLite version. The reason being there is the output of this username is nothing, it's null. So union gives me the answer of this. Now the question is, will just database do the job for me? Database, right? No such function. Database is not there. Maybe table, we can try a couple of those. Table. No such function. So there is no point in trying because SQLite was the version we were looking for, and 3.31.1, that's our answer, right? What we now have to do is look at union select database and stuff. Now to explain why this happened is, let's copy this, go back here and try to put it inside. Here it goes like this. So select password from users where username is this ABC. We know the answer of this is null, so nothing is printed out from here. Select SQLite version and this. So what is probably happening is actually there might be one more like this here, and this whole is then getting executed. A limit gets basically left out. That's something like you guys can also look more into how with the SQL injection, like if you're hacking the database, this is how it goes. Hi bro, what's up? I'm good, buddy. My man Gayab Insan is here. How you doing? How's everything? How's life? Enjoying the AI news with the stuff going on. How China is kicking America's ass, and in America they said anyone who uses DeepSeek AI should be prosecuted, like we're put in jail and a $1 million fine or both. So some senators are talking about that. So interesting time. That's what's up, I will say. How about you? Anything going like that in India? Any big news coming? We know TikTok was banned way before, but let's see if DeepSeek also get banned in India. But with this being said, right, and the worst part about American one, you can't even download the open source version of it. Even that is bad. In India, I know open source will not get banned. India is like way too smart in that case. So let's see, enter username. Now we know the database version, right? Delhi election, bro, results this 8th. Oh, nice. Did you give the, what's this called? Did you participate in the elections? By the time what we are doing, as we are talking on YouTube and Twitch, right? Keep in messages coming in. But SQLite version, we know this. So let's find a problem with this version. Let's find the exploit for this. SQLite 31.1. Must be something. No, bro, you know I'm not in Delhi. Oh, I see. Yeah. Makes sense. Let's go to exploit DB actually. Yeah, I do you even have like voter ID card and all those stuff. I don't even have that. I just never got a chance to get one because I was never there. SQLite, okay, exploit DB doesn't have anything. So exploit for SQLite 3.31.1. I do have, bro. I had given vote earlier. Oh, nice. That's awesome. Have you given like the federal one or the what's it called? Delhi one itself only. Okay, our GitHub access here. Critical severity. Oh, okay, this is it. I guess there is an out of bounds access in SQLite 3.1. There is an out of bound access problem through alter table for views that have a nested from clause. Okay. Let's go on this one. CVE 3.1 remediation. Okay, I want to see how to exploit it. There is no exploit here. Both. Nice. That's awesome, man. Elections are like a lot of time, a lot of people, I don't think that's the worst part. Like when I was in India, right? And I did talk to a bunch of people. The worst part is like people just don't even understand what the elections are for. They don't even understand when an election is happening, whether it's municipality or municipal one, right? Whether it's the government is like federal or provincial. They have no clue, and that's like a very sad thing. Government has failed in that case, and like us people have also failed by not taking part in this. SQLite cybersecurity help. Okay. Any idea, like, if any of you guys listening, right? What you will do if I give you, let's say, hey, you have unlimited resources. What you will do? The whole job is to tell, like, let's say if you are in India, Canada, wherever you are, right? Your job is to tell, educate all your country people, right? All the whole population about elections. Like explain them the importance, and just be like understand how important it is, and like don't take it lightly. Try to participate in a proper way. What you guys would do? Let's say if it is a marketing project you have, or a political project, or anything like that, how will you do it? Denial of service. Let's see, 3.31. Here, known vulnerabilities. I'm not getting what I want here. I don't know what this means. Any idea? Like what you guys will do? SQLite 3.1 null pointer definitive vulnerability. SQLite 3. This is the version, right? 3.1 31.1. Yeah. Vulnerability. There is an out of bound access problem through alter table from views nested. Okay, we know this one. Let's see more. Okay, the vulnerability has been modified since it was last analyzed by NVD. There's an out of bound with alter. This is okay. By selecting these links, you are leaving okay, Nest workspace here. Nest, if you guys don't know, is like basically Department of Homeland Security, US, one of the top cybersecurity and security in general, like office. they maintain this website. It's a big one. Okay, let's look at this. Bulletin, contact, resource, critical, affected products, subscribe. No. Doesn't do the job, doesn't do the job, doesn't do the job. There is no showing how to do it. Okay. Okay, let's see. SQLite. I know the NVD, right, of this. 2023. Okay. Do I have 2020? No. Say show 60. 21 entries only. So if I copy the CVE, maybe I might get some information. Okay. Out of bounds in SQLite. Okay, let's see. Description, additional information out of bounds during table rename. Okay. So whole idea is when things go out of bound, it goes out of memory, and then you are able to hack based on that. So we have to look how to do that for SQLite. Alter table. Upstream fix is there. I think now this is the time you want to use. Oh wait, CV details. Okay. So what I will do? I'll just quickly. Now this is the time you want to use AI to actually able to perform these things. Because I go through it, I understand. Okay, there is the vulnerability. I am able to understand it, and I found exactly the vulnerability. GitHub commit. Now, if I want to perform, and these websites are like just too afraid to perform these things, and this is SQLite's repository, right? They're trying to make sure things do not happen. Create table, reset database, create table, alter table, rename to T3. Okay. So basically the table we have in the problem we are given with the Lightroom, the table we have, we probably have to now alter the name of that table and then get the admin password and username. Okay, so let's do that. Perplexity. And now here is what I learned by doing so much of understanding of how prompt engineering happens. See what I will do typing. If I don't type these things, I probably won't get the best answer. I am doing a CTF challenge where I am given SQLite 3.31.1. What I'm doing, what I have given, what I want to do, right? What I am doing, what I have given, what I want to do, how I need your help. Couple of ways if you describe it, if you are able to give it like a chain of thoughts or like a better answer or better prompt, you will get a better answer. I want to use not this thing. I want to get the CVE. I want to use the CVE this to get all the usernames and passwords in the table. Can you explain this vulnerability in easy words what it does, how to exploit it, and any other facts. Let's see. This is how you will become a hacker, boys and girls. CVE to 2020-35527 is a vulnerability in SQLite version. It involves an out of bound access issue that occurs when using alter table command on views that have nested form clause. It has to be a nested one. This vulnerability can potentially allow an attacker to execute arbitrary code or cause a denial of service condition on the system. Okay. Vulnerability type: requesting crafting a specific SQL query to exploit this. Impact can lead to arbitrary code execution. So we want that arbitrary code to execute, right? Involves creating a specially crafted SQL query that triggers out of bounds access using alter table on a view with a nested form clause. However, exploiting this vulnerability to extract specific data like username and password directly is a complex and typically requires additional vulnerabilities such as a SQL injection to be present in application using SQLite. Okay, one sec, lads. I'll drink some water too. We know SQL injection is present in this. How we know? We just did, right? We got like our SQLite version. So we know SQL injection is possible. Steps to consider: identify SQL injection vulnerability. We did with this SQL injection version thing, right? Next is SQL query, alter table. We were able to do that. If successful, it could potentially allow executing arbitrary code, but extracting specific data like username and password would require additional steps or vulnerabilities. Additional facts: severity high. Okay, how do we do this? Select star from user with username and password this or this, right? Last, SQL injection. General concept of SQL injection we already know. Important, legal and ethical, blah blah blah. So how give me SQL query given SQL injection is possible to test vulnerability. Okay, give me now this, right? To test alter table, select. Now we can change the select, we can change alter name, right? Again, star from users, rename to temp users. Now we will be able to get everything. We need to get the username first, right? First, we need to get the the database name. How we will get the database name? That's where our TryHackMe will come in handy. Or SQLite function to get the name of table in SQLite. Close. Dot tables. Select name from SQLite master where type equal table. Let's try this one, right? Let's try this and see. If we fail, that's fine. If we don't, voila, baby. Habibi come to Dubai. This is what I want to test. So what I will do is first a simple this union, getting rid of those from OM SQLite master where type table, and we'll do another one like this. That should do the job. Let's see. Username not found. Username not found. That's fine. Need tables. Select star from tables. SQLite Meister. Okay. Let's try. Select to the left and right don't have the same thing. So SQLite Master. Let's look into that. What all information this can give. SQLite Master special table in the SQLite tables. So let's say if I want to do let's craft here. This is much easier to craft. So to table. Let's see if this will work. This will work. Table syntax error near table. Okay. Table is not a thing. Then what we will do is type table SQLite including all master column names. Let's get all the column names. Select SQL from SQLized where table name this type equal table. SQLite system tables. Master list of all database objects, right? Type, there is name, table name. So if I go like this, paste, admin table. So our our database name, our name of the table is admin table. So that's big information we have. Now the fact I have the table name, I can use the same union select and I can get like everything, all the users from admin table. But let me first get the name of the columns, right? Type, okay. So if I have the names, column names read from table. Go back here. This one was a better answer. So if I have table name admin table, then I can play. Is then if I go like this, let me copy this guy's stuff. Paste. Now union select. And then table SQL master where table name this type table, right? So if I go where table name admin table, let me also store this. One thing I started doing is I'll take care of this, copy this selection. I'll create a division here. Admin table. This is the thing. So paste here, type table. Let's see. Name. Username not found. So name is not coming. What we can do is try to get something else. Maybe let's try this way. union, select username from admin table. TryHackMe admin. Oh, I got a follower. Thank you. Hi, bro. I'm new here. What's up? Who are you? What's happening here? Oh, hey, buddy. Welcome to the family. I guess that's the first thing I can say. What we are doing actually is recently. If you want to, I will tell you the whole story why I'm doing this specific room. If you are into AI, right, and you might know something called DeepSeek. DeepSeek was actually hacked within couple of days of being out. Basically, in 3 days, it got hacked, and there is a company called Viz Research, right? They found out like 2 ports were open, and their database was basically all open to the world. That's when I thought, you know what? I haven't done much SQL injection as hacking. I'd like doing cybersecurity, ethical hacking, like these guys are doing. So I'm learning hacking using some good websites like TryHackMe. I'm doing this room right now. Let me just send you this. And I'm just trying to become a good streamer and cybersecurity hacker. That's my game right now. But thank you so much for follow, man. I really appreciate it. Are you into hacking? Do you like it? Have you thought of like cybersecurity hacking as a career? Because if you are here for AI, if you like AI and hacking, you are in for a treat, because I'm doing a lot of like learning on prompt engineering as well, because I have like a stream planned for Sunday where I will be teaching you all how to do prompt engineering and some advanced techniques. So just in case if you are into AI, that's one thing I'm doing on the side. And hacking, of course, like that's what I do. Hope that gives you some idea what I'm doing. And this is, we are inside the Light database trying to do SQL injection, and we found a vulnerability in their system. So that's what we are trying to look into, how to get the password. You're welcome, bro. Indian here from Tamil Nadu. Oh, nice. Yes, I'm interested in AI and happy to find you here. Oh, likewise, bro. Ashwin Bharat. That's my man, right? That's awesome. I work for a company full time. It's called Infosys. So I have a lot of my manager and bunch of my colleagues and friends in Chennai. So that's awesome. Are you a student or what you do right now? So password is TryHackMe admin. That's a good thing. No, though. No, not password. This is the username. So let's see. Now, if you see, we have the username here actually, because I selected the username from admin table. Now I'm using this. I'm going to try to find the password of this guy. And because our words were blacklisted, so I have to use capitalization. Because if I do just like capital union or all small case or like uppercase, it's not going to work. I live 2 hours away from Chennai. I am BizOps guy. Oh, nice. Software engineering graduate. Oh, nice. That's awesome. I am into business too a lot. I did, so in Canada, right? I live in Canada. The system here of college works a bit different than India, because here you have to take your main degree. There is like 120 credits you have to take. Every class is around 3 to 4 credits. In 4 years, you take like 5 classes each semester. 90 credits goes into, let's say, my computer science degree, what I did, and 30 I did in business, plus 1-2 extra courses in psychology. So that's awesome, because I did some business stuff too. So it's awesome. You'll connect very well. So you are a graduate. Nice. I like that. How are you liking the life as a grad? From admin table. Now you see, like, I'm my from, like the main letters of SQL are like union, select, and from are all like mixed case. Other ones are okay, but here I have to do from admin table where username like try hack me admin percentage. I have to give double. Username not found. Okay, wait, let's see. Username, maybe username equals. Hacking is all about trying. I spent 3 hours yesterday on this. Didn't get much far, but today I was able to get it. So I'm pretty happy. Going good so far. Good to know more about you. How is it going for you after college? It's going well. Like no complaints, honestly, because I got a job, even though and I think I was lucky during that time because it was just after COVID, around 2021. So there were jobs during that time. So I got lucky in that case. And right now I'm just like trying to do, after I'm like, now I have a job, I'm kind of financially secure at least for some time, right? I'm trying to follow my passion of cybersecurity, trying to make it big in this. And this is the easiest way I found out, to be honest. Like, try to make a name by doing a lot of TryHackMe CTF challenges, learning about all the techniques, so I can show anyone in any of the workshops or any of these interviews or anywhere that, hey, you guys can go on my TryHackMe profile, Censored Hacker, and you will find so much about me. So hopefully that gives you an idea. Are you like in like you are graduate, so like you are doing master or you are doing you're a grad, or like doing a job something? Here when I was doing my bachelor's, I was doing job as well. So just asking for that reason. And it's always, if you can get a job, even like if you are currently a student, do it. That's my honest opinion. Learned a lot. So here we have select star. Maybe password is not even a thing. Password is not a thing here. What we need to do is actually find the column names. I built a simple SQL injection project during college. Nice to see advanced versions of exercise you are doing. Yeah, and let me give you something even better. Let me send you this guy. TryHackMe SQL Intro to Web Hacking. I did like a really good stream on this, and if you want, I can go over it again one day. But here, have a look at this room if you are into this. Here, why things are not coming this way? One sec. Here, cool. So check this room out on TryHackMe. This is a good one if you want to learn more about SQL injection, in-band and blind SQL, out of band, all those type. This is a great room. And also check out OmniHuman with the AI thing. This is recently came out, like I think a day ago. And this is one of the best when it comes to video and audio. Best right now. I saw so many interesting like videos on this AI. But yeah, let's go back. I keep on getting into this. Let me think. How will I do this guy? How to wait? So I have to find column names because I think when I'm doing this union select password is probably not even a thing It's just I know the username exists. So let's see. Prompt engineering now. Find all. Find the column names in a table in SQLite. To find the column names in a specific table in SQLite. Yes, I'm Bezos at my job for Udemy instructor team. Oh, nice. I used to teach front-end development with online workshops, so that kind of helps me now at my job. Nice. Helps me now at my job. Nice. Yeah, man. One thing I'll tell you, like, I understand what you're saying because there has been so many things. Thanks for sharing the resource, man. Yeah, no, 100%, bro. Like, I'll tell you this. How I found out about TryHackMe and this, somebody else helped me. So anytime you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And I have a couple of commands, like if you try the Discord command or future projects command on my Twitch. A couple of other things. Easy way to connect to me is through Discord. You'll find my Discord there, and you can look at the future projects I'm planning this year. Oh, I can try Pragma table info. Okay. Select name from Pragma table info. Table name. Okay, let's try this one. Yeah, but it's good. Like, I'm happy I'm able to help you. That makes my day. That's the most important thing to me. Thank you for joining. It makes me happy, man. It makes me happy I'm able to talk to someone. Admin table. That was the name, right? Admin table, yeah. And let me make it a bit up so it's easy to see. Let's see. So union select pass. No, this is not the right one. This won't work. So is the TryHackMe like lead code for cyber? Yep, exactly. Yeah, you got this. So it will train you. There are exercises to train you. You can test with the CTF challenges. Good part is a majority of the part about it is free, so you can look into it. And there are paths, specific paths for you to get started. And if you ever want like to look into one of the premium ones, right, before paying for it, feel free to text me on Discord. I can send you the data about it. But yeah, it is like lead code of cybersecurity. Let me copy this. There is another one. Test this. On YouTube, I'm getting nice, man. I like it. Gayab Insan says Okay. Select from Okay, let's try this. Space and union. Let's try this now. ID. There's IDs here. That's interesting. Okay. Now, so we know ID is one of the column names. Now let's make it even better by typing this. Here, now this is where SQL injection like play becomes even advanced. Now this is working. We know it's getting me the name of one of the tables, one of the column names, which is ID. But I don't want ID now because I already know. So I will use where. and then not like command. So let's say I go SQL not like command. So there is a not like, right? So I can say where name not like, and then I can say ID. Where name not like ID. Let's see if this one does the thing for me now. Okay, this didn't work, so we have to maybe make it a better. ID. Let's see. Syntax error. Okay. So not like and pattern. So if I just do not like easily, I'll do double quotes to see this. The single quotes might be the reason why things might break, because the other inside our server is also single quotes going on, so I will use double quotes maybe. Nope, didn't work. So name not equals not like versus not equal. How not equal goes in SQL? Right, okay, not equals. But not equal, but I want string value. Okay, so let's try this one. Should give, okay. Percentage ID percentage. It's giving me syntax error. Earlier it didn't. So need to look into how I can get away from it. Union select from pragma table info admin table where name not like this. I don't need answer like this. So I'm getting the column name as ID is the name of the column. One of the name is ID. What can I do to get this? Name not like ID. Let's see. Using this operator not equal. Let's try with not equal. Might work. Not equal. ID. Syntax error, same thing. Okay, not equal. Let's do ID like this. Again, syntax error. Why? Okay, let's go. Password is ID again. Not like ID. password is coming as ID again, so it's not listening to us. What can we do? Pragma table info admin table. Limit is 30. Wait, let's see what other ways we can get. Pragma table info users. Several columns, CID, which is column ID. So name of the column, not null. From, let's see, if I have this, use this query, but I don't want the the table name that is not ID from this query. Okay, let's see what this will retrieve us. Name pragma table, this name ID. Okay, we are doing similar. I still am getting answer as ID. I don't understand why I'm getting ID again and again. I'm trying not to get ID as the answer. Maybe just this much is getting in there. What should we do? Any ideas by any of you guys? Any idea what we should do? How we should modify our table except on the name? Return second column, not first. Retrieve only the second column name. CID2. Okay, or CID1. Okay. CID is column ID, so probably I can use that. That's actually a good idea. This might do the job. Syntax error. Equals 1 actually. SAID. Okay, let's try it this way. This gives me ID, so if I go maybe column like like 0. Syntax error. This admin table thing, maybe I want to try like this. Or first I'll go and change it in the other way. Here I'll try this way. Does this work? Maybe. Who knows? It might work. This is the one above the escape. Syntax error. No such column name. Okay. Why ID is coming sometimes, but not other times? This is like, now it's getting confusing for me because the first time I got admin table was from this command. So let me just. Okay, let me just copy this. Copy selection. Okay. This gave this. I have to go to washroom so bad, but I'm like really interested and don't want to go right now till this is done. I don't know if you guys ever had that feeling where you have to go to washroom, you have to poop, but this is more important. So table name. Where table name not like okay, let's see if this will work. See if there are more table names, right? Like that's all we can try. Yep, when we are focusing with deep work, same feeling. Yeah. And the best part is like with me, like I'm just we are solving this problem, right? Like it's such interesting thing. I like that feeling too. And I'm proud of myself that I have this feeling. Not like. Okay. Any idea from you guys what we should do? What we should do? This ID is one. ID is one. Hopefully you guys can still hear me, right? ID is, there is something ID that's not that useful. You know, admin table is something. It's actually a 100% a table name. But maybe. Yep, audible. Just no idea. No idea. It's okay, but I have no idea how to play. Do maybe. Okay, now I'll probably go here. Maybe. So I go on Discord. We have like TryHackMe Discord server, and the guy said something there. Here we were talking yesterday. This is me, censored hacker or hackers pub, right? Whichever you guys have. But yesterday I was trying. He mentioned union payload to detect the DB versions. Once you detect that, you can search for common attack vectors online. Schema payload to dump the whole database instead of going user by user. So yesterday I was going user by user. You also follow David Bommel. Yeah, that guy is really smart. That guy is David Bommel is like very smart. Him, Network Chunk, John Hammond, and who else? Namasek. Great people, great information. And there is this. I don't know if you are part of this. He has a Discord server too, so I'm part of that one too. So it's pretty good. So he gave me the idea with play with capitalization. Union select SQLite version. We did that. Yeah, network checking is awesome. Another favorite one of mine, which is not cybersecurity but tech, Easy Snippet. Easily my best one out there. Really cool. And I think like him and my style when it comes to like making videos and like being who we are, right? So similar. Easy Snippet and me, like the way he talks and I'm like the way he do his stuff, that is very like my type of style. Like BS, do BS wherever you can. It's fun. Let's see. SQLite, blah blah blah, SQLite version. So if we have the SQLite, let's focus on the fact that we have the SQLite version. Maybe we can do something from that, right? So let's go on Perplexity, but like in a different way. Let's go from SQLite. Oh, SQLite 0.31.1 exploit. So we know our SQLite version 3.31.1 null pointer exploitable flow stranger strings. Okay, let's see. Trail of bits is publicly disclosing this, which defects CVE 64-bit. SQLite is used in early proof of a background recent blog post. SQLite is most widely used deployed database engine. Premise blah blah blah. Static. Okay, a perception that was reinforced when we tripped right over this vulnerability while hunting for bugs elsewhere. So there is a alter thing he mentions. String. Not here. On line 231 and unsigned long this is passed. Proof of concept crashed the PHP interpreter. Bye for now. Lunchtime you are looks jam packed. Schedule. I'll come back later. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. Heart. All the best. Have a great lunch. And yeah, I'm always here. You will find me a lot. Like I'll do a lot. So thank you so much and love you. Hope you have a great day, right? Hope you have a great day and I'll see you here. Hopefully today, if not tomorrow for sure. Thank you. Yes, let's go again. Thank you though. Like I really appreciate it, man. These words like that makes my day and this is what keeps me going. Like this another tomorrow I will be so energetic just to come here. You guys have no idea. This one talk, one message is such a big thing. But this is not okay, this is not the one I was looking for. Alter table one. Out of bands access problem through alter table. Okay. So out of bands problem. CVE. Everybody talks about the details. Nobody is talking about the actual exploit. And so I need to look for the actual exploit. What will be a good way to look for actual? Because I went to exploit DB, they don't have it. Let's maybe look again. I might be wrong. So 3.31.1. Oh, my nums lock is off. 3.31.1. WordPress, no. SQL. I want to go over something like from 2020. Let's see, 1 second. 2020 35527. Okay. Nothing shows up. Databases exploits Google hacking. Let's see. GitHub begin OpenSSH. Google hacking database. No. What can we do? What can we do? What can we do? Okay, let's ask AI. Let's see. Let's think about it. I want to know how to execute for a CTF challenge. Give me the alter table SQL query for table name admin table. Let's see. So we have alter table, create table. We have created a table, inserted the value, blah blah blah. Attempt to alter. Okay. Wait. I did ask it in a different way before. I did. So here's the thing. I have to type like I am in a CTF challenge and given machine with SQLite 3.31.1. Help me create a alter table query to execute. Okay, let's see. Create table, insert, admin, alter table, admin table view rename to new admin table view. This is where you would trigger the vulnerability. Alter table command is attempting to rename a view that has nested from clause where the vulnerability lies. Executing this command can potentially exploit. So how will this now create query get the data from table from that table. Now let's first go to here. Let's look at this. This has not been working. What was that alter table one? Let's go. Admin table name values admin. There was one more thing I found while doing some prompt engineering. This was regarding alter table selects from admin table rename to temp users. Okay, so let's try this. It doesn't like those words, so I will change to, now this is where things get interesting. Alter, I'm changing all the words so with mix case, not just upper or lower, because these are blacklisted and the blacklisted didn't do the job properly. Temp user to rename, and now I know the name is admin table. Let's try this. Oh, okay. copy. Oh, near alter syntax error. Okay. What one thing I also want to try is this. No such column. Now my brain has gone. I'm getting ID as like a name of a column, but okay, let's see CID maybe. What's a CID? 0. Syntax error. Why syntax error, boss? Now this is brain rotting. Data. Found. Okay, I know there's alter table vulnerability. Need a helping hand on how to use that. So table name came, right? Like table name came. I got the table name. I need to understand this. Huh. Sorry for eating on the live, but was hungry. Need some power, and I will change my audio setting to this for some. My ears are hurting, man, so badly. Alter table. Table. CB, this one is vulnerability found in this. Yeah, that allows attacker out of bound access. This means that the program can read or write data outside the intended memory area. This can lead to unexpected behavior. Is used to modify an existing table structure. In this case, it's being misused in a way that triggers the vulnerability when it interacts with views that contains nested queries. How it can be exploited? Create a query, crafted query, unauthorized access. Okay. Alter a view. Right now, this query attempts to alter a view created by selecting from another table. The nested select statement are designed to trigger this. So let's say if I have how will help with that exploit. The query this, right, is designed to exploit. Here's how it will release the vulnerability and can be used. The query uses two nested select statements. The inner select admin table retrieves all rows from admin table, wraps this result creating a view like structure. Okay, temp user. Okay. The column pragma table info. Each column including its name. Okay. Okay. Offset. We can add offset. Okay, that's interesting then. So when I was getting okay, hey. Limit 1, offset 1. Let's see what this will return. It gave me admin table, right, when I do this, but when I try to add like a limit or offset by 1, doesn't give me that. Maybe if I just do offset. Get some hint, correct and submit, don't make it true. Light. Okay, how can I try this? Let's try one thing though. I got some name, right? Let's say, is table admin the answer for one? Do you try hack me admin? Is that okay? That was the username. So that's great. I have the username. I need to find the password now. So if I got the username and it's giving me username for everything. Where it is, yeah. Try hack me admin. User not found. Wait. Username not found. I have to get the column name based on that. Where? Bro, what am I doing wrong? So I know, like, okay, let's clear all the BS. I know I try hack me is one thing here. Try hack me admin is the username we are looking for. We need to look for the password of this guy. Should we try SSHing into it? SSH. First, make sure, one thing I want to make sure. There's enough time left. Okay. I added 1 hour. I was at 20 minutes, so that's good. Password to the username mentioned. There must be a password. So need to look on the password side of it. Okay. Again, yes. So I know the table name, I know the user. Maybe what I can do is first alter table, put all the information in a different table, then retrieve from there. Maybe. Sure, let's try that. Where's alter table one? Here. Alter table. Okay, let's see this. First SSH TryHackMe admin at 10.10.100.4. Yes. Nope, nothing. This one won't work because I forgot to enter one thing. Syntax error at alter. Maybe alter is not blacklisted. Maybe. Alter syntax error. What if I do so alter is not blacklisted, we know, it's just union and select. And select star is not a thing. For this, we need to get like column names somehow. Okay, maybe null User not found. It should be paste selection. No, go like this. Username. Let's see if this will work. I need some help. Nothing for me. Nothing is there. Now I have to go in the light. Search for light. Room hints. Light in room hints. Yeah. Man, it is totally possible that AV is messing things up. I will try to get food hold first and check for the different day. No. Everybody's talking about a different light. Okay. I'm just trying to search if I can maybe find something. Lightroom. I know there is something here. There was one somebody did here because it's a very new room, right? So it is has to be here somewhere. It wasn't that far. Now let's search Lightroom. Smoky and why do I keep getting this even after entering the username, the Lightroom? That's how the room is designed. Try to break the query. No, this is not the one. No. Okay, let's see. Room light. Lately, I've been doing new room light. So when I'm sending my SQL injection to find out the name of the table in the database, I'm using payload. That's good, I guess. Where table. There is a word from this. So I walked to find out that payload was SQLite masterware type table, and response was this table name, which is our admin table. I think there is an error with the filter set before SQLite is being executed on the table, because mix those. SQLite is executed correct. Doesn't matter how it is typed. Blah blah blah. Think looking for union select and it be like that. Please correct me. Would be app logic to blacklist certain inputs and not to blacklist other. Misconfiguration, yeah. Bro, this is my brain cells are losing. I have so much other things to do in life. Come on, solve automatically. Ah, wish my fucking knee also. Mm. Okay, where is it? The room in. Okay, so we'll try. We'll try more. I don't know, for some reason somebody else is saying they take 72 hours, so fuck it. I'm going to take 72 hours, but I will figure it out. Union select username admin table, right? We know one thing very much sure. This thing, this, where's that freaking hell? This guy is returning the table name to us. Copy. This is returning me the table name. I know that. Now that I have table name, how can I get the column name? Zing. Right, let's see. Okay, I got this. ECT. Could be tables. My brain is like running not like us right now. That song is playing in my head. Okay, tables, okay. Table name. Getting. Let's see what it says with the syntax error. Bro, I'm losing my brain cells right now. Been looking at a black and white screen for 3 hours, man. 2.5 hours, whatever. Or 2 hours. Shit. I have no idea. Like, I don't want to take hints. I need to use my brain cells and some online information to do something. this is what consistency and hard work looks like, lads. I guess. At least good part is you guys can see a world-class hacker struggling. A world-class hacker of 2027 struggling in 2025. So that's a good thing you guys can see. Authenticity. Hmm. Concatenate. Okay. I can concatenate and make it a string. Oh wow. Okay. This might be what I needed. Maybe. Who knows? This is it. This is it. Concatenate name, right, as column names from pragma, and this is my admin table. ID, username, password. You just saw 3 hours yesterday. I slept at like 1 a.m. and just this. You just saw groundbreaking things right now. I'm getting goosebumps, baby. Yo. Maybe I was a bit late. Sorry. Yes, I was a bit late. Sorry, Panda. You're right. 3 a.m. I was there at 3 a.m. at bed. Sorry. I played some Fortnite after, yeah. And did some work too. So, yes, you're right. My apologies. Got called out within 1 fucking second, man. On this channel. Holy. Okay. Now I know this password is one of the things, so maybe I can just get union select group concat name. No, three. Yo, stop. I went to bed at 3. I slept maybe later. Hallelujah. From admin table syntax error star. Okay. Come on, bro. Why went going so hard on me? What the hell? Password. as oh shoot, let me copy this. See Panda, what you did. Not going to lie though, I like working at night. It's so much better. For some reason I like working at night. I might be Batman, who knows. Nah, I'm just kidding, Panda. I'm just kidding. Don't you worry, kiddo. But let me tell you one thing. I'm Batman. Didn't you one time say you liked waking up early and getting things done? Yup, I said that. But I like doing this too. And we have the password. We have the password. We have the password. We have the password. Do not. I am a genius. I'm Kanye West. Hallelujah. And I got both the password. I don't even have to log in SSL. Wait, no, I might have to. This is one. And this is the flag maybe. Who knows? I might don't even have to do anything. That's crazy. Might have bypassed the root thing. Wait, hold up. What is the flag? Oh, no, I don't have to. This one works. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go and give it to you. Let's go give it to you. Let's go give it to you. Let's go give it to you. Here we go. Group concatenates. I need to like get my brain cells ready to bang and like find things. And here's our flag, baby. Here's a flag. Copy selection. I need to start like looking into SQL much more than anything. And like how data DBMS work. This is such a this is getting interesting. I want to do more. I was afraid of SQL. I didn't like it, but holy. X can't give it to you. Damn baby. Haha. I got it. I'm the best. Nobody else. I'm the best. Holy, my knee hurts so bad. But yo, check this out. Got it. I got it. Average view duration 41. That's pretty good. It's probably top I ever had. That's crazy. So out of 2 hours, I had 3 people watch for over 41 minutes. That's pretty good. But yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. Long day, long journey. This is how we grind. We got the Lightroom after 2 days of grind, which is almost like 6 hours of grind we put in. We got a Lightroom. So next, let's see what we have. Let me show off. No, I don't want this. I want my gallery Lightroom. I got a bunch. I'm not oh. Yeah, I got like a bunch of likes. Yo, like me on Twitter and all these guys. But yo, I have something before you. I let you guys go. Remember, Sunday, get ready, have your lunch ready, get your pen and paper ready. We are having a prompt engineering masterclass on how to make AI your bee. Then I'm going to create an actual practical. I have thought of a very awesome project, practical project, what you guys can use in real life and how we can test how good AI is on the stream, and that will convert into a YouTube video. My first video, YouTube video from hacking on that on the channel. But thank you so much for everyone for joining me. Right, this was an interesting journey. This was an interesting case. Right, like always, keep grinding. You are seeing a world-class hacker in place. Till then, thank you so much. Have a great one. See you later. Sayonara.